Hi there, Mr. Sutton here, bringing you the IM3 Honors 1-2 Part 1 homework solutions on operations and compositions of functions. For number 1, we want f plus g of x, so we just have to add the f function and the g function together, x squared plus x plus 1. And if we could actually just drop both of these parentheses because they just have invisible ones out in front. So this will just be x squared plus 2x plus 1. For number 2, we want f minus g of 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to do f of 3 minus g of 3. That's basically what's going on here. F of 3, that's going to be 3 squared plus 3, which is 12. G of 3 is going to be 3 plus 1, which is 4. So we've got 12 minus 4, which is 8. For number 3, we want f times g of x. So we're just doing the f function and the g function multiplied together. For that, we'll just use FOIL. So we've got x cubed plus x squared. Inners gives us x squared. Outers gives us, or lasts rather, gives us x. These x squareds can combine, so we'll have x cubed plus 2x squared plus x. For number 4, we want f divided by g of negative 4. I'm just going to do f of negative 4 over g of negative 4. F of negative 4, that's going to be negative 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4, so 12. And then g of negative 4, that's negative 4 plus 1, which is negative 3. 12 divided by negative 3 gives us, well, that's interesting, negative 4. For number 5, we want h plus j of negative 7. So we've got h of negative 7 plus j of negative 7. H of negative 7, that's going to be 49 minus 25, so 24. J of negative 7, that's going to be negative 7 minus 5, so negative 12. So we have 24 minus 12, which is 12. For number 6, we've got h minus j of x. So we're doing basically the h function minus the j function here. So we have x squared minus 25 minus x plus 5. So that's going to be x squared minus x minus 20 if we combine those constants. For number 7, we're doing h times j of 6. So basically h of 6 times j of 6. H of 6, that's going to be 6 squared minus 25, so 36 minus 25, or 11. J of 6 is just 6 minus 5, which is 1. So 11 times 1 just gives us 11. For number 8, we've got h divided by j of x. So basically x squared minus 25 over x minus 5. For this one, we can actually factor this x squared minus 25. So that's x plus 5 and x minus 5. And since these x minus 5s cancel, we can just rewrite this as x plus 5. However, we are going to need this little proviso here about x not equaling 5, because in the original function, if x is 5, the original would be undefined.